Okay, so for this tutorial, the next step, we are preparing a table for map data, and we're looking at getting our data and putting it in an Excel table, as well as putting our data in Map Viewer. And let's go first through the Excel table. So I have my Excel table open, and here it states to create your Excel table, and on the first row, type the following field names. So again, on my Excel table, I have title, Y, which represents latitude, X, which represents longitude, and the image URL. So it's telling us to go to the Detroit Mural Map website, and when you click on that link, you'll be clicking on the first picture called Mama Sold Produce. Mama Said Produce. So the page for Mama Said Produce appears, and when looking at that web page, you're going to get the following information, such as the title of the photo, the latitude and longitude coordinates, as well as the image URL. And again, this tutorial does provide the latitude and the longitude coordinates, but if you look at the website, it is found here. So I clicked on Mama Said Produce, and this is the website. It gives us the title here that you can copy and paste. It gives us the spatial coverage, so our latitude and our longitude that I have highlighted, and the image URL. It starts with images, and you just copy it and paste this. It's very important that it states here you need to add HTTPS with those symbols. So again, I right here added HTTPS with the symbology here to make it into a URL link. And now we have prepared the data for the first point of data on the map. And again, it states here another way you can obtain coordinate information is by using Map Viewer to search an address and use the location tool to determine the coordinates. So on the Mama Said Produce webpage, click the browser's back button, which I will do now, and click on the second image. Okay, here is the second image called Untitled Ford Mustang. And it says to scroll down to locate the address under the spatial coverage section. So let's locate the address under spatial coverage. And this is our address here. So let's copy and paste that. And then we are going to go back to our map viewer. So I do have that map viewer here, and I'll put it on this side of the web page. And we're going to click the search toolbar, and we're going to put this address here. So again, southeast. So I'm going to remove that and paste the 1535 Alfred Street, Detroit, Michigan. So we're zooming into that location. And in the layers pane, click the visibility button to hide the tracked layer. So again, we're going to hide the tracked layer by doing that with the slashing I icon. On the settings toolbar, the light toolbar, click Map Tools and choose Location. Okay, this is here, and let's click Location there. And we are going to expand it, and we are going to click on the Capture Mode button. So I believe it's this icon here. So on the map, click near the search result. Okay, and the coordinates for the point you click appear in the location tool. So here we have the location toolbar giving us our coordinates. And in the Excel table, enter the following for the third row. So we're going to enter again the name, and I will be just copying and pasting this, and then our y coordinates. Okay, I did put that in the wrong box here. So our y coordinate is here, and then our x coordinate. And then the image URL. And let me re-put the title because I erased it by accident. So I will be going back to this. So again, once you're adding this image, you must put the HTTPS in the image URL. So let's paste that. And I am going to the very back. So HTTPS images. Okay, so now I have my URL, and it states here in your tutorial that use what you have learned to add more murals so that you have data for 10 murals. So again, you can add it here on the Excel file, or you could add it using the location-based. But I believe to make it easier for you, add all the rest of the murals here on this file. And in the Save As window appears. So again, we're going to save this as murals. So save as murals. So let's save it as murals. And save as type, it wants it as a CSV UTF-8, comma, delimited, which is right here, and let's click save. Okay, awesome. So after we have completed this Excel file, which you will be completing, we will be uploading this.